Print Planet has just received a major update. In this new version, there are a number of new features. Number one, we have refactored the entire UI to go from what was called Bootstrap to DaisyUI, giving a much better look and feel and ease of use. The next thing we have done is under the Users tab, we have allowed the administrator to create additional users. You no longer have to come to Chris to do that. Next, we have created a rules engine. Under the rules engine, you can create a rule. Say, for instance, you have you want to take all Mixbook 8x8 orders with 100-pound gloss text. And what the rule engine will do is it'll run every minute, and any new orders or new jobs that come in will automatically either create a new bucket or will be added to an existing bucket if it's available. If we go under jobs here, we see there's some new jobs for this love book here. Actually, this one here. We'll go ahead and add that in. We'll create a rule for that just so we can see. All right, so that rule should run every minute, and then we should see these two jobs here that are in new status show up in a bucket. As we can see now, we have one bucket that was automatically generated from our Mixbook rule. When it creates a brand new bucket, what it will do is it'll give it the combination of the job spec and the paper type, and then a timestamp based on when the bucket was created. So that's that. We'll come back to that in a minute. Additionally, we've created a knowledge base. I'll add some articles here, but these will be articles on how to use Print Planet. It should be pretty easy to do. And then a really interesting and cool feature, you can see it automatically added all these items into the bucket as well that match that rule. Now, let's say we're up here and we want to, currently this bucket has two different jobs in it, and we want to set it to a press. So what we'll do is we'll just say edit, tell it we're going to send this to the 100K, and then what we want to do is we want to, instead of sending these as two separate jobs, we want to combine these into a single job and send it to the press. Well, if we go under view, what you can do is, if say a job is really large, you can split the job, you can remove a job from the bucket, or if you select more than one job, a new button appears saying combine selected jobs. When I do that, you'll notice we have a count of a total of 6 here. I'll combine that. Ask me if I want to do that. Boom. Now we have a new JDF definition that has all 6 of those books in there, and when we send that to the press, those will all print together in a single batch. So very useful. All right, so if we go back to buckets, that's kind of an overview of how that works. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me, Chris, and I'll be happy to help you.